You ready?
Stand by. Did not hear that. Did not hear that?
Nope.
It will ring. Hit.
Hit.
Hit. Get your other alleyway. Hit.
3, right?
Yep. Miss. Hit. Miss. Hit.
Do one more.
Yep. There's a small one on the right of the big one, and there's a small one on the left of the blue barrel.
All right, that's what I just shot. The one on the left of the.
All right, on the right of the big one, there's a small guy. Miss. Miss. Move on. One target at this position.
Todd, do you need us, Kenny?
No, you guys hang out. I'm fine.
I mean, it's not.
God, it's not that bad. No, it's
Can you see it? It's on the right of the blue barrel.
The small one?
Yep, small one on the right of the blue barrel. Move. Two targets. Two targets. Might consider using the tree.
Huh?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Could use the tree if you need it for support. Hit. I'm gonna call ahead on that.
Oh, can't see the other target now.
It's on the right of the blue barrel down there. See the blue barrel? You look over to the left.
I just shot the one to the right.
Okay. So you got the one on the right of the blue barrel? Right. So look. See this tree right in front of you? See the blue barrel?
Yeah.
So there's one right on the right of that blue barrel.
All right.
Miss. 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 Move on. Going to ladder, watch your head. To the right, 2 o'clock. You have 4 targets. Hit. Hit. Miss. 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 There's a target on the right of the big plate behind the barrel. There's a small target on the right hand side of the big plate.
Oh, yes, yes. There you go.
It's back there in the brush. Miss. Miss.
Oh, buddy.
Miss. Safety, let's move. Running out of time. Time. Stop. Time's up. Unload, show clear.